tayo ng oras. Sobrang ganda ng Eastern Samar. We are now leaving the island of Luzon.
Hi guys, it's day 0. Andito na kami sa Petron San Pedro. Time check, it's 8:12 ng gabi. Hihintay na lang naman yung mga kasama namin for this trip. And so we're going to Eastern Samar. Pero yun nga, first stop namin is Kitinan Ranch. So excited kami dun. Update na lang namin kayo guys sa mga mangyayari susunod.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do.
Good company. We thank you for Tim and Janice and their organization and their hospitality.
You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eyes, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like.
Hi guys, so ngayon nasa daan na ulit tayo. Going to McDonald's Tagkawayan. And ang lead natin ay si Kel Esteban sa group 3. Then tayo mag-sweeper. Roughly 6-7 rigs tayo per group. So yeah, update ko na lang ulit kayo along the way kung ano magiging kaganapan. Sana maging safe ang lahat.
Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Let's go.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you.
Quick update lang ulit guys. Hindi na tuloy yung pag-order namin sa McDo dahil offline yung mga machine nila and manual yung order taking, tapos isang tao lang nakuha ng order. So parang hindi na sila nag-accept ng order. Sadly, sarado din yung Jollibee. Hindi na siya 24 hours. Kaya kumain na lang kami ng baon namin sandwich. Ayan, update lang guys. On the way naman na tayo ngayon sa Big Sipokot para doon na tayo mag-brunch. Yeah, on the way na tayo. Isa't kalating oras na lang naman papuntang Big Sipokot. Let's go! Hi guys, time check, it's 10:52 AM and nasa Big's Naga. Naga to, Big's Naga. Ayan, magba-brunch na muna kami. After natin mag-lunch, diretso na tayo sa Kitinan. 2 hours pa from Big's Naga.
Gutom na ako.
And
Baby back ribs.
country breakfast.
And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too.
Ayan, maraming salamat Coleman sa pagpapadala nitong cooler. And ititest natin kung totoo bang up to 5 days ang tinatagal ng ice. So today is day 1, nasa Kitinan na siya tayo. And yeah, mag-set up muna ako. Bago tayo magkwentuhan ulit, set up muna ako.
I want your body, I want your body, yeah. Oh, and I want your body, you know I want your body, I want your body, body.
Ayan guys, so nakapag-set up na kami. Ayan, si Lala nag-work pa. And ito yung mabilisang setup lang muna namin. Ayan, cooler from Coleman. And syempre yung ice cone natin. Available to sa Mototesto and Gladiator. Ayan, para siyang alu box. And merong ibang style din ito, yung color black. I believe yun ang meron sila Kel. Ayan. And also yung Mototesto awning natin, Mototesto 270 overcast, and yung Wildland Light Cruiser pa rin. Also gamit natin is yung Wildland na tower lock. Ayan. Medyo magulo lang yung setup na, pero yeah, for na overnight lang, parang pang mabilisan lang. And also syempre Super Kalan. Thank you Boss Louie sa paghabol ng ating Super Kalan para sa ating Eastern Summer Trip. Ayan, andyan sila Sir Team. Ayun, wala naman masyadong gagawin today. Pahinga lang talaga, dinner mamaya. And siguro bago matulog magbabawas na rin ang gamit since overnight lang. At 1 AM tayo aalis. So yun, pagod na pagod pa talaga ako. 14 hours din halos yung drive from San Pedro Laguna papunta dito sa Kamalig Albay, Kitinan Ranch. Sayang wala yung Mayon ngayon. And supposedly dapat andyan yung Mayon, kaso covered siya ng clouds ngayon. What's up guys? Time check, it's 7:19 PM and nakatulog na ako. Parang ilang oras lang ako nakatulog? 2? Nakatulog ako ng mga 2 oras and plan ko sana na iligpit na yung RTT para if ever na hindi na talaga tayo makatulog, at least naka-pack up na yung RTT at yung mga ibang gamit na lang natin ang ating ililigpitin. Nakapag-dinner na kayo? Shanghai? Nakapag-dinner na sila Shanghai. Ito, may natira pa. Kakain tayo maya-maya. Ligpitin ko lang muna itong RTT namin. Ay. Oo, mababasa yan dito eh. It's 9:15 PM and ayan, naisipan na namin na mag-pack up na. So binalik ko na dito yung mga boxes namin and yung cooler. Syempre yung ref natin. So yun lang. Tapos hindi na rin ako makatulog ulit eh. And naligpit ko na yung RTT. So sa tambay-tambay na lang din talaga kami. So yun lang. Liligpitin ko na rin yung lamesa namin. Siguro next update ko na sa inyo pag paalis na kami or bago kami umalis. Bye. Good morning, Sir Tim.
Morning.
So, saan naman po tayo ngayon?
Ngayon, nasa Q Ranch. Tapat natin yung Mayon Volcano.
Medyo nahihiya pa eh.
Midnight and papunta tayong Matnog Port.
Yun.
Sa Ale. Tatawid na tayo ng Samar.
Alright. Ayan. So, mostly sa group natin eh, nagre-ready na rin paalis. Ayan. So, eto, ready na rin tayo dito. So, tingnan natin mamaya, update ko kayo.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you.
Good morning guys. So currently nasa Matnog Port na kami. Actually wala pa pala sa Matnog Port. Waiting pa kasi ang boarding namin is 8 AM. Ayan, so mga nakapark muna kami sa tabi-tabi and waiting for further announcement. Kasi ang sabi may backlog kasi nasira daw yung ramp. Yung dapat na 3 AM is naging 6 AM. Then kaming 6 AM is magiging 8 AM na. So yun, update ko na lang ulit kayo mamaya.
You're now leaving the island of Luzon.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can.
nagpa-vlog ang isa sa mga bagong ambassadors ng Mototesto. We would like to welcome Brendan officially. Welcome sa mga aberya at mga
Thank you.
Actually ano pa to, sabi nga nila light pa to, Brendan. So ano masasabi mo ngayon na nakasama ka sa mga ganitong klaseng trip?
But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall deep in the
nakakilabot, pero yun talaga yung spirit talaga ng convoying. Tiwala, nasa harap. Kasi parang blind ka eh.
Correct.
And pag titiwalaan mo lang sinabi ng nasa harapan mo.
Correct.
And kung mali sinabi ng nasa harapan mo, yari na. Pero super saya. And sobrang saya makasama.
Thank you.
At least na sa convoy na. Saya. Sige, vlog lang.
Sige.
deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Ayan guys, malapit na tayo sa port.
Dito kami sa taas.
Ayan, nagdadock na yung boat natin. Malabas na ulit tayo.
Sir.
Thank you.
Sir, next time po ulit, sir.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Thank you po. Thank you.
I've heard the rumor, I've heard the talk on the town. They say you're alone, they say that you ain't sound, but I don't believe any of that. I've got a whole nother view. Yeah, I think there's a treasure waiting for someone to prove himself worthy or true. Yeah, like a dandelion, my love stuck roots for you. Like a dandelion, my love's gonna break right through those concrete floors and the solid walls will all be made to part, and my dandelion love is gonna reach your heart. I've asked you out, I've invited you in. Ooh, I've shown you a real good time, the best you can have without having to sin. But I must admit to having such a motives up my sleeve. But I think that the treasure waiting for someone to prove himself worthy and true. Yeah, like a dandelion, my love stuck roots for you. Like a dandelion,
good morning guys. So today is day 3 na ng ating Eastern Summer Adventure Trip. And it's Thursday, 7:26 AM. Nandito tayo sa Mapanas at papunta ulit tayo doon sa hotel, sa Pacific Rock Hotel. Then after mag-breakfast, may photoshoot tayo. Then around 9 AM tayo aalis papunta ng Giwan. Sabi-sabi, aabuti ng 8 hours. Pero kung i-diretsuhin natin papunta doon sa Giwan na beach na pupuntahan natin is around 6 hours lang. So, update ko na lang ulit kay mamaya. Morning sir team.
Morning, kamusta tulog?
Okay naman po. Ano po agenda natin today? Wala po.
Okay, mamaya, after kain, photo tayo doon. Puntahan natin yung Blue Lagoon. And then, we're off to somewhere to meet our friend, si Sir Joey. And then, dadali niya tayo sa I don't know where.
Ayun, ang pinamaganda doon. Sige po, thank you. How's your sleep?
Good, nakatakbo pa ako.
Oh, wow. Ilang kilometers?
7.
Wow, grabe naman talaga si Miss Riga. Ready na ulit sumabak mamaya?
Nakapasok, yes.
Yes. 6 hours pa daw ulit mamaya na drive eh.
Nahabaan pa ba tayo doon? Basta moto test ko, meron nga tayo, kahapon, ano ba tayo? 15 hours bago
Grabe,
tayo nakarating
yes.
sa ano. So, ano ba naman ang 6
6 hours, you know, basic.
Oro Hagdan, guys. Oro
Yes.
Hagdan. Their local delicacy.
Nang.
Kaya nga, Tim.
Nang.
Nang walk. Kasi mabagal. Si Brian ba yung nakaka?
And naglalakad na kami papunta doon sa rock formation. Ang ganda rin ang beach dito. So, ayan, naglalakad na kami dito sa may bridge. 500 meters papunta, 500 meters sa balik. So, 1 kilometer na walk din to. 3,000 steps, sabi ni Sir Lek.
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go or what's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean,
kakarating lang namin dito sa Minasangay Nature Park. At dito na tayo magla-lunch, hosted by friend of Mototesto, ni Sir Tim. And siguro after lunch pala, mag-picture-picture lang kami. Then didiretso na tayo sa Giwan, kung saan tayo magka-camp for 3 days 2 nights. Hello po. Sige po. Thank you.
Something beautiful, something beautiful.
Ayun guys, tapos na tayo mag-lunch. Nag-ninja lang tayo na mabilisan. Tapos sa lahat sila dito. Ayan, dito kami nag-lunch. Dito merong diving spot, oh. Pool. Natural pool, oh. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito sa Eastern Samar. Ayan, bisitahin nyo itong lugar na to. Ito, meron pang isang talunan dito, oh. Kahit saan ka tumingin dito sa Eastern Samar, parang ikaw na mag-asawa kakatingin sa mga magagandang lugar, sa mga magagandang view, no? So yun, mamaya na lang ulit. After dito, diretso na tayo ng Giwan para doon sa beach campsite na pupuntahan natin.
Look up in our eyes, locking my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see.
Hi guys, ako muna yung mag-update kasi pagod na si Brendan. 5 minutes na lang pala kami going to Giwan White Beach Resort. Tapos ayan, finally makakapahinga na and makakapag-set up na rin ng camp. Ayan. Tapos yun lang. Update na lang namin kayo kapag nakarating na kami doon. Layo ng biyahe. Ayan guys, yung pupuntahan namin.
For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see.
Ayun guys, no, nandito na tayo sa may Giwan, isang beach resort or beach campsite dito. So nandiyan kami sa may part ng Pilipinas, dito sa Eastern Samar, Giwan. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is mag-set up na muna ng mga gamit natin and rest. Maraming pahinga. Yeah, cargo chairs, cargo container, kahit anong cargo container na kailangan nyo. Message lang kayo sa Gorilla Outdoors. Marami silang klase.
Shout out to
Shoutout, thank you so much Brian Gabriel, Sir BG.
Oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see.
Hi guys, so nakapag-setup na kami and ito yung setup namin ngayon. Ayan. Buksan muna natin konti ilaw pa, lakasan natin. Ayan. So dito ang content ni Katya, dyan siya matutulog ngayong gabi. Yan yung gamit niya, electric fan niya. And ito yung pinaka shelter natin, the Mototesto 270 XL. Ayan. Ayan, sobrang laki na awning to. Covered na covered niya talaga yung buong ano, yung area niya. And ito sila lang ngayon, nagluluto ng aming dinner. Anong dinner natin ngayon?
Giniling.
Giniling, gisadong giniling. Siyempre, Super Kalan. Maraming salamat Super Kalan sa pagpapadala nito. And ang ilaw natin ngayon, yung nakakabit dito, is from Autask Philippines. Diyan ko muna nilagay, no? Maraming salamat din kay Gladiator sa pagpapadala ng trolley bag na nagiging chair. Yung bag ginawa muna namin hiniwalay muna namin doon sa trolley niya. Nandito, ginawa muna namin bag lang talaga kasi para mas mag-fit sa kotse. Then yung trolley nilalagay namin sa may truck bed. Pero multi-purpose yung trolley na yun. Pwede nyo rin gawing patungan ng gamit nyo, kagaya ng ginawa namin ngayon. Ito, ayan, ginawa muna namin patungan ng water jug namin. Ito isa panghugasan, ito naman isa para sa inumin namin. Kaya naman tayo saglit bago mag dinner. Pero ito pa pala isa, pinaka the best na fan so far na gamit namin ngayon, yung cargo container na fan. 10,000 mAh. Sobrang tagal din ng battery nya, like makunat talaga. Kanina ko pa ginagamit to pero full charge pa din. And pwede mo siyang ihang. Mamaya pwede namin ihang sa RTT to. Mamaya mag-dinner tayo, tapos pahinga na lang din. Bukas talaga tayo mag-activity dito. Merong beach sa tapat nung setup namin. Makikita nyo bukas. Ito na, tapos na magluto sila ng dinner namin. Yung ginisang giniling with tomato paste, tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Kakain muna kami. Mga pagoda ng tao.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
Kanya-kanya preference. Suot niya niya. Anong ka?
Morning guys, time check, it's around 8 AM and today mag-breakfast pa lang muna tayo. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-breakfast. Inuna ko muna mag-drone shot kanina. Update ko ulit kayo mamaya.
Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try to leave, you're keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time.
Ligo tayo.
Losing track of time.
first dip natin dito sa Eastern Summer.
Sometimes love is a thought we held too long. Sometimes it's alright just to be a little wrong, with no sense of consequence, the strength to carry on. The day breaks in the darkest places right before the dawn. So if you ever lie awake with situations in your mind and you try to sleep it off.
Yun na guys. So it's lunchtime already. Time check 11:58 ng tanghali.
Thank you, love, sa food.
Pork liempo. Pork na liempo pa.
Thank you, kakilala.
Ang sarap ng liempo sa tabi ng dagat.
True.
Siyempre, sa Super Kalan niluto.
Is a reason to hold on, blowing like a hurricane right inside of me and you. No blues or avenues take away my strength.
Hi guys. So tapos na kami mag-lunch. Wala na kami masyado nang gagawin ngayon. Ano na lang, chill na lang muna tayo dito sa beach. Konting pahinga lang din na naman kasi bukas sasabak na naman tayo pabalik na ng Manila. So iikutin natin. Galing tayo Northern Samar, Eastern Samar, then West Part. Pabalik tayo ng Allenport, going to Matlog naman. Then from there, mag-stay tayo sa isang hotel sa Sorsogon City. Mamaya mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito sa camp, papasyal po kayo. So, yun lang naman.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life.
Uy, may paletsyon.
Oo. Dapat na magutom. Magutom kailangan maibawi.
Makikipila na rin tayo.
Gladiator lang ka naman.
Nice.
Ka naman.
Gladiator
Thank
yan.
you. Model.
Para kulang. Ako wala.
Ako lang, naubusan na.
Baby, 1, 2. Ano?
Ay,
Baby, 1, 2, smile. Okay.
Okay, next.
Ito ang masarap.
Sayang yung plato. Yun.
Puro balat.
Friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my light. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
So, nagsasaing na si Lala para sa aming dinner. Bukas alis na kami. Ang daan natin is pa-western na, no, diba? Pa-western going to Allenport. Ginagawa ko ngayon, naglilipat ako ng mga files, videos para ma-sure na tawag dito may backup tayo. Yun, no? Kahit mahangin, no?
Bilis makaluto.
Quick update lang. Tapos na kami nakapag-dinner namin kanina. Tapos nagbabawas-bawas na kami ng gamit dapat. Nagiligpit-ligpit na kami. Tapos biglang inabot kami ng malakas ng ulan. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi mas inuna kong isalba yung mga gamit muna namin. Actually maraming nabasa pero okay lang. Yung mga gamit naman na pwede naman mabasa, okay lang mabasa. Yung bali yung awning na lang tsaka yung RT3 na lang yung ano, hindi pa namin naliligpit. Good morning guys. So today is day 5 and paalis na tayo dito sa Giwan. Mamaya ay dadaan pa tayo sa Sohoton Cave. Sila mostly naka-ready na palabas.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me.
Kinuha yan ng mga Amerikano at saka pag kinuha nila mayroon may maraming mga nagkamamatay dito ng mga Pilipino.
Opo.
At saka gumanti yung mga Pilipino. Nandito sila sa simbahan, nakatira yung mga Amerikano at saka mayroon silang ginawa na gaganti sila ng mga Amerikano. After lunch, yung mga nag-serve sa kanila, mga lalaki pero nagpakadamit ng mga babae. Hindi sila nahalata na mga lalaki sila. Kaya yung mga nag-disguise sila ng mga babae sila. Kapag kumakain na silang lahat, yan na ginawa nila ang pagpatay ng mga Amerikano.
Opo.
Yung bulo lang yan, tsaka itak.
Opo.
Yan lang ang ginamit sa
Okay
kanila.
po.
Katapos, lahat na sila namatay. Mayroong isang natira, at saka nakauwi siya doon sa Amerika. naghingi siya ng rescue.
Opo.
Nagpunta sila dito at saka yung bells yung kinuha nila kay wala namang mga tao dito.
Opo.
Nagsialis na, nagpunta na sila sa bukid.
Opo.
Yung inaano na lang nila yung bells.
Opo. Sige po.
Yan lang.
Thank you po.
When up is down and a down is up, when your half full glass looks like a half empty cup, when you're running into dead ends and everywhere you turn, well, seize the opportunity, live and learn. Hey, go with the flow. Hey, go with the flow. Go with the flow, babe.
So, welcome po dito sa Soho Town Visitor Center, dito sa Basay or Basay, Samar. By the way, ako po si Estel, isa sa magiging cave guide.
Stagger for a better run, standing on the blues. Hey, go with the flow, with the flow. Hey, go with the flow.
Let's go. Magki-caving muna tayo.
Biyan example, Kuya. Biyan example.
Go caving.
Oh my God.
So, dito naman natin makikita ang white calcite. Ang white calcite na sensitive dito sa lupa, ito yon. Dahil ito yung naging damage nung time na walang mga guides na nag-orient sa mga guests. Kasi, ang gamit pa nila ay yung mga camera na may mga hindi katulad ng yung defilm pa yon. Na hawakan nila at nagpapapicture, kaya naging damage na.
So yun no, paalis na tayo. Hindi na tayo nakapagkayak kasi gagahulin sa oras, medyo alanganin. 2 PM dapat makalis namin para makahabol sa port, sa Allen Port. So yun.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Dito na tayo sa Allen Port and ang departure natin is 9 PM. Currently time is 8 PM. So yeah, nakapark na muna kami dito sa loob na ng port para mamaya diretso na lang sasakay.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
So, dito na tayo sa Melad Hotel kung saan tayo mag-stay for tonight. Ayan, sila Lost Boys, Sir Mike, tayo, Kuya Esteban, Kuya Edgar, Sir Benz, and Sir Tim. So, yeah, time check is already 1:39 AM. Ayan, yung damit natin. May damit na ako?
Wala, hindi ko makakita.
Sige ako na. Hawakan mo to. Kuha damit ko.
Hilain mo na rin yung mismong bag mo kasi madali nasa ibabaw yung akin.
Okay. Tayo sa Melad Hotel or Sagon City. Kuha lang muna tayo ng damit natin. Ayan na. Yes po. 419 po. Thank you. Ito yung room natin, 419 sa Melad Hotel. Pagpasok, may sabitan tayo dito ng damit natin. And salamin, TV, coffee, water.
Noodles na lang pala.
Dito kami ni Lala. Queen ba ito? Double? Queen? Double bed? Single. With 4-3. And CR. With shower, rain shower, no? Tsaka hot water. Yun. Very good. Ito yan, tomorrow na lang ulit. Papahinga na kami. Grabe, haba ng biyahe. Pagod. Bukas na lang ulit. Good morning guys. So it's day 6 and nakapag-check out na tayo sa Melad Hotel. Hindi na tayo sasama sa kanila pauwi ng Manila. So ang gagawin natin is may iwan tayo sa Sorsogon for 2 to 3 days. Depende yan kay The One Herreras kung kailan tayo uwi, no? Pero ngayon mag-iikot-ikot pa tayo din sa Sorsogon. Dadaling ko kayo sa mga beach na meron kami dito. So ngayon papunta na tayo sa bahay namin dito sa Sorsogon. Siguro may ano ba, mag-iisang taon na rin, no? Ulit tayong umuwi dito.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you look so beautiful. looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.